Yep.
This is the elevator at Oak Square Arcade Mall in Highlands, North Carolina.
It even says elevator, don't it?
Yep.
Picture. I'll watch the light go out, maybe.
Yep, there it goes.
Yep.
Elevator to the Instant Treasure Company.
Okay. Oh, this is groaning. Oh, that's cute. I like that.
Your close button works.
Does it?
Okay, phone.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's kind of a different phone. Okay. Alright. Can you get it open?
No, I can't get it closed.
Jeff, can you help him? Okay, let's go back up one more.
Okay.
Well, it even says Otis down there.
Yep, so it's an Otis.
Yeah. Well, we knew that.
Okay.
Two.
Sounds like a hydraulic too, doesn't it?
Yep.
Sounds like somebody's got a lot of congestion. You want to get out and look around? Okay. Well, watch your clothes. I need to get a cab you too, so I guess I'm getting that now. Alright. This is a nice little shopping area, isn't it?
Yep.